Hello, my name is Alex. If I don't know you, nice to meet you. I'm the founder of this place called Partnerhub, and I want to do a demo because we've updated a lot and I haven't recorded a demo in over a month. So this is a demo for agency users. If you're a technology company, there's another demo video. Find that somewhere, send me a Slack message and I'll get it to you. This is the agency dashboard. What you'll see up top, live offers, opportunities, and recommendations, the two most important widgets on this dashboard. These live offers and opportunities are either sent from tech companies, those are called offers. You have the ability to syndicate opportunities. They do have to be approved by admin, but these are all valuable, typically co-marketing opportunities submitted by top tech brands, which means great domain authority, thought leadership, lots of views. So the idea here is this one from Bonsai, they would like to work with these types of agencies. And how they would like to work with you to start is by including you in some content on their blog. That's beneficial for both of you. You have the expertise, they've got the traffic and the viewers, and you start off the relationship with that co-marketing project. From there, you start working together on other things. Maybe you have a shared client or customer. Maybe you have some co-selling initiatives that you can get underway. So once you start the partnership, however you start it, now you're on their profile. And if you have already sent the partnership request, it will say partnered. If not, I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. It's a smaller profile and you have to request partnership. Now you set the stage. Okay, well, you're vetting Bonsai. You don't know if they're going to be a great partner for you or not. And you're doing co-marketing. You can set your own projects here. You can use projects for actual projects. Like maybe we're doing a website development project and this is not a tech company, but it's another agency. Let's talk about that while I'm here and I'll show you the other features. I do want to show you contact info for the other agencies. Let's go under ecosystem. Oh, by the way, this is what you look like to the tech users. They do not see your logo. They do not see your company name. They see simplified profiles that allow them to send an interest request. And I'm going to bounce around here a little bit. Excuse this. The new matches area for you has suggestions. These are partners or users of Partnerhub, actual users, that sell to the same customer base, vertical, ecosystem size, and they enable your core service or they sell a relative core service. The idea there is, okay, well, maybe you want to partner with companies that work in a certain geo, or maybe you want to work with companies that sell a service that you don't sell. In that world, you go to the marketplace, and I'll show you how that works in a second. Interest requests come from tech companies that don't have your contact information, and those look like this. You can accept them or you can deny them. Requests are from tech companies that have your contact information or other agencies. You'll see here a mix of agencies and tech in the recommendations. Our agency users oftentimes will partner with agencies much more frequently than the tech users. These are our users. And the newest are typically up top. So every time you log in, a good routine is check your new matches, head over to the marketplace, see if there are any logos you recognize, partner with us, our admin account, we can potentially share some business. Run some filters, send some requests. The strategy with partnerships is not have as many as possible. It's find the right partners, fill your partner buckets. A bucket for you could be, you know what, we've got some clients in Brazil. We don't speak Portuguese. They would love us to do some SEO work and we just can't fulfill that. So you would look for Brazil-based SEOs. And maybe the client is a mid-market client or startup or enterprise. Maybe specifically it's a WordPress project. So now I have WordPress, SEO, and I want agencies. In this version, you just send the request pretty simple. We're going to add a note to the request soon, so you'll be able to explain what's going on and why specifically you want to work with these agencies. Opportunities, if you do have a project, say you have a lead come in and it's a type of implementation you don't do. Remember that this works and it's here, and you can syndicate opportunities to other agencies in our ecosystem by vertical or by vertical or service that they sell. So it'll only go out to that vertical and agencies that sell that service. You can also use it for co-marketing opportunities, things that you want to involve agencies in. There was one submitted for a guest post or a blog swap from another agency recently. Okay, so ecosystem is your marketplace, your current partners, and new matches. After you get a connected partner, let me pull up one that I don't mind showing you. Hawk Media, they're partners and investors of ours. They don't care if you see their partnership's contact info. I've got a new contact, Hawk Media. What I'm going to do next is assign an account manager, set the stage, get on a call with their team. On that call, add the point of contacts. Here's some, but maybe there are others. I'm going to create a memorandum with Hawk Media, meaning what do we promise each other? What am I doing? What are you doing? What is our goal as partners? This is going to become a contract development feature. So you'll be able to say, okay, well, on this call, we agreed to NDAs, we agreed to a commission program and referrals of a certain number in order to stay partners. And you agreed to put me on your directory, and I agreed to put your logo in my footer. Put all that here, save it, and then both of you will have to accept those terms, and that will get stored under your resources area here. Referrals sent directly to Hawk here. If you want to refer business to any of your partners, you go into the referrals page, and then you'll be able to send one referral, meaning a new customer of yours, new client of yours. You may want to send that to your entire tech stack. Some of our users do that. Or maybe you want to send it to someone outside of Partnerhub, but you like the idea of storing all of your referrals sent and received in one place. You can let them know contact info and whether or not you want them to reach out. Sent referrals, received referrals are on one page right now, but we're actually going to deprecate that. They'll be on 2 pages, and you'll have more features related to referrals like Stripe Connect. So you can send payments. I send you a referral. Maybe right now you're using accounts payable, or I have to send you my PayPal link or something. But this will get a lot easier and manageable in one place. Update pipeline stage for referrals and contract value. This is where we talk about integrations. We have a Zapier integration, which covers 90, probably 5% of use cases our users have. We will be developing closer integrations with HubSpot and Salesforce to start so that your referrals are synced, meaning pipeline stage is synced and account manager or point of contact is synced as well. That's important for our users. New referral comes in. I like to send an email thanking them for the referral. Create a deal in your CRM, maybe. Update your team in Slack that a new referral is in. There are more triggers, not just referrals. When a task is assigned to you, you can send a Slack message. You can post all activity feed to Slack. You can post an activity feed to Slack when you just have a new partnership request, or when a live offer is syndicated, or when a partner reaches a certain stage. One of my favorites is, I want my partner to know what to do at each one of these stages. So I would set up a Zap for activated, send my partner an email thanking them for being on this journey, and maybe a link to a swag store so they can order a sweater or something. Projects, types, and stages. You can customize those, but we give you like the basics, the ideas. and you can run with those. Types. Remember, you can use Partnerhub to manage any partnership type with either tech companies or other service providers, consultancies, solutions experts, agencies. You can create tasks for your partner. This is one of the other things you can do that you can't do in a CRM. So some of my users ask me, well, I've got HubSpot. Can't I just manage my partnerships in HubSpot? You can manage companies and a company type as a partner. Yes. Point of contact. Yes. Add a deal under a company. Yes. What you can't do, source partners, collaborate with partners using these types of features like tasks and memorandums. The idea here is these are other users. You're in the same platform. You're in the same ecosystem. And then the big one is circles. This one is a highly anticipated feature because what it allows you to do is tell the ecosystem you're in a certain market. That could be fashion brands in EMEA, or you're going to a conference and you'd like to share leads. Inside of each circle, you have data pipelines, or data and pipelines. You can sync data, you can import data, you can post offers just to your circle partners. Apologies, I've got the window open and there is a loud ambulance. Anyways, the idea here is, okay, well, here are all my in-market functions. Here are my closest partners in each one of those markets. And here are the target accounts that we're all going after in that market. You can bring that data into CRM if you like and prefer that. You will be able to sync the data from your circles to CRM, and you'll be able to create closed circles or open circles, meaning do I want them in the marketplace of circles so other users can find them and knock on the door and request to join, or do I want them private? Good use case there is I want to do just a social pod circle. You know, let's post our social links, let's like and share our content, and let's co-market together. Or I just want it to be my top tier partners, and those guys and girls are going to get all of my co-marketing opportunities, my referrals, all of my value. You can also make them private or open, meaning do you want your circles partners to see each other or not? That's a great feature that everyone's excited about. Fill out the form at the bottom of the partnerhub.app/circles page. You can link to it in the activation tab. The directory for you is a way to showcase your partners on a subdomain. For the agency users, fairly simple, a domain. The pro account allows you to do subdomain and lead capture and stuff like that. But you have partnerhub.directory/your agency name, and here's all the partners that you've decided to show. You can enable or disable them anytime, and as you add new partners, you can bring them into your directory and create new listings. Simple as that. The settings in your directory are fairly straightforward and simple. It's just what's your slug, title, logo, description, main CTA button, and it's done. That's that. If you have any questions, Slack is the best way to go. Oh, one last thing. You can add as many team members as you want. You can update your project tags and types here as well, and you can connect Slack you can connect to Zapier under settings. Slack is under your profile. So as soon as you develop your profile, you can connect Slack. That's an important one too. So please let me know if you have any questions, and happy to help. My name's Alex again, and I think there's some links below this video that'll get you started. Thank you.